something happening here. What it is ain't exactly clear. There's a man with a gun over there, telling me I've got to be aware. This time we stop, children, what's that sound? Everybody's going down. As there's a bad line's been drawn, nobody's right if everybody's wrong. Young people speaking their minds, again so much distance from behind. It's time to stop, hey, what's that sound? Everybody's going down. A field day for the heat, 1,000 people in the street, singing songs and carrying signs. And she's saying hooray for a sign. It's time to stop, hey, what's that sound? Everybody's going down. Paranoid is singing deep into a leafwood creep. Starts when you're always afraid. Step in a line, the man can take you away. You better stop, hey, what's that sound? Everybody's always going. Better stop, hey, what's that sound? Everybody's always going. Better stop, hey, what's that sound? Everybody's always going. Better stop, hey, children, the sound. Everybody's always going now. Rough around the edges, but there we have it, boys and girls. A song from Buffalo Springfield, all the way back to about 1966. I think it was released and was a hit in 67, beginning of 67. And a song called For What It's Worth, okay, written by Stephen Stills, okay, and performed by Buffalo Springfield. Standard tuning, no capos, doing the key of E, which is the same key of the original recording. Right then, boys and girls, let me hopefully show you what I was doing in that playthrough then. So, the intro, I'm doing this harmonic bit where it's like... Okay, I might do that twice and then start doing the verse, okay? So what I'm doing, this is obviously played on 2 guitars on the record, or more than 1 guitar. But so this is what I'm doing it for a single acoustic, is I'm playing the bottom E string open with my pick, and then I'm following it up with a 12th fret top E string harmonic. So, and I'm rather than use my pick, I'm plucking it with my finger. Okay, but you could use your pick if you want to. Now, if you haven't done to harmonics before, not the when you start doing them, it might be a bit tricky, but practice, it comes fairly quickly. What I'm doing is I'm resting. You can use whichever finger is more comfortable for yourself. I'm using my 3rd finger directly over the 12th fret on the top E string, just resting it. That's all I'm doing. I'm not pushing down on it, resting my finger directly over the fret. And what you do is you pluck this 12th string, and immediately you've plucked it, you lift off the finger and you get that bell-like sound. Okay? Or like I say, I'm using my finger, okay, but you use a pick, okay? So open bottom E string, and immediately you pluck the harmonic, whichever way you're doing it. Ba-bum, okay? And then we do this little riff, which goes all the way through the song. It's a slide from 2 to 4 on the A string, the 5th string. Then we play the 2nd on the 4th, and then we go back to the fourth on the fourth. So it's okay, so we got this so far. Slowly. Okay, then we do exactly the same sort of thing, but we hit the A string first, fifth string, open, and then we have to do a harmonic on the 7th fret, which is not so easy to get a sound. So exactly the same idea, top E string, finger directly over the 7th fret, okay, and very lightly, as before, hit the string, top E string, pull off the finger. Okay, don't push down on it, just rest it. Okay, now again I'm tending to use my finger to pluck it rather than pick it, because the timing has to be quite quick. It's more or less it's a fraction of a second after you hit the A string. So first one is, the second one is, so that one doesn't sound as good as the 12th fret, but that's the way it is. Okay, it's harder to get it to give it a nice clear loud ring. But there we have it. So after you've done the 7th fret harmonic, we do the same riff again as before, and then we just repeat the whole two things. Okay, so here we go, slowly, intro. Okay, so that's the intro. Now if you're not happy doing the harmonics, then just play a chord. E chord, A chord. Okay, it's up to you. But I thought for completeness I would show you the harmonics. Okay. So, when you've done a couple of the intros, whichever way you want to do it, with just chords or with harmonics, it's just basically an E chord and the riff, and then the A chord and the same riff, like so. It's something's happening here, but it is exactly here. There's a man with a gun over there, telling me I got to be aware. Okay, so it's chord, riff, E chord, riff, A chord, riff, repeated. Okay, so it's there's something happening here. What it is ain't exactly clear. There's a man with a gun over there, telling me I got to be aware. Okay, just like that, 4 times. Okay, then we get to the chorus, and the chorus is quite straightforward. It goes, just come out of the first verse, there's telling me I've got to be aware. I think it's time we stop, children, what's that song? Everything was going on. So what I'm doing there is E, so I think it's time we stop. On stop, it's the E chord. I think it's time we stop, children, D, it's D major. What's that sound? A. Everybody's look, what's A7? Going round. That's the way I do it. Other people do it different ways, but that's what I'm doing. An A7 with an open 3rd string. So second on the 4th, and second on the 2nd, 5 downwards. A7. Okay, so I think it's time we stop, children, what's that sound? Everybody know what's going down. And we do the intro again, either with just the chords, twice, like that, or you could do it the way I did it on the demo, where it's like, where it goes, I think it's time we stop, children, what's that sound? Everybody know what's going down. And we do verse 2 exactly the same as verse 1, different words, okay? throne. Nobody's right if everybody's wrong. Young people speaking their minds are getting so much resistance from behind. Chorus, it's time we stop. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody knows what's going down. Intro again, either with chords or with the harmonics. Now we're going to verse 3. Now this is slightly different. It starts the same. What a feel for the heat. Right, instead of doing the second riff, you do, when you get to the A, instead of doing the riff, you go to G. Either that way or that way. Okay? So it's like, sorry, it goes. The first time we do it on the E, you do the riff. Okay, so it's, what a field day for the heat. 1,000 people in the street, sing songs, carrying signs, mostly saying hooray for our side. Okay, so this slight variation. So it's E riff, what a field day for the A, G. Same again. 1,000 people in the street, singing songs and carrying signs, mostly saying hooray for our side. Chorus, it's time we stop. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody knows what's going down. Now we do the intro again, whichever harmonic way, or we're just doing the chord and the riff, whichever. Then we go into verse 4, and it's basically the same as verse 3. Right, so it's like a paranoia strikes deep into life with what we creep. Starts when you're always afraid. Step out of the line and let them come to take you away. You better, normal thing, chorus. What's that sound? You better, it just repeats the chorus and fades out. So it goes like, you better stop, hey, what's that sound? Hey, what's going? You better stop, hey, what's that sound? Everybody know what's going. You better stop, hey, what's that sound? Everybody know what's going. You better stop, hey, what's that sound? And then basically you just go out on a couple of intros, whichever harmonic way or with the chords. Okay, so hey, what's that sound? Something like that. Okay, I mean, like a lot of records in those days, they used to just fade out on the, fade out on the outro. So there you go, boys and girls, my take on that song. Fairly straightforward, fairly simple, apart from the harmonics maybe. But choice is yours, you don't have to do the harmonics. Okay, thanks very much. If you like that song, please give it a like, and if you'd like to subscribe, please do. It lets me advise you when I put anything up, you'll get a little notification come through. Thanks very much, bye for now.